And I'm gonna get something to eat, I think, right now. I just ordered something to eat. In 15 minutes it's gonna be ready. You can see how tasty the souvlaki is. That's all. Got the souvlaki finally, the last video for today. Okay, I got it. I got my food. This is souvlaki from my favorite place. Oh, there's a place with mushrooms on the wall. Look interesting. What's this place? Got my souvlaki and we see what's inside of it. Let's see it. Okay. Okay, this is my lunch for today. It's souvlaki, pork souvlaki. It's skewers in a pita with salad and tahini sauce. It's really delicious and lemon. So let's see. There is the lemon. The lemon. And the souvlaki. The souvlaki before eating it. Okay, so this is it. I opened it. I opened the souvlaki, squeeze the lemon inside, a bit of lemon seeds. It's not a big deal. A few lemon seeds is not a big deal. I'm gonna try to take a bite from it. They forgot to put a napkin inside. Maybe you have to ask. This souvlaki. This is really delicious. It's very simple. Skewers meat. You can have chicken and pork, vegetables and tahini and lemon juice. So simple. Hope this gets me right. So simple, but wow, I changed hands. I changed hands and didn't even drop it. Everything is really fresh. The vegetables are fresh. It's really big. It's 7 euro this thing, so it got more expensive. It used to be €4.50. From 4.50. From 4.50 it got to €7, but still very nice thing to eat. Thanks for watching, and I'll finish my souvlaki and pick up the garbage before it flies away. Okay. This is in Cyprus, in Larnaca. Any place in Cyprus you can try this. Oh yeah. I'll finish it. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. Consider my thumb is up. Thumbs up.